I have to speak on young Jamaican sprinter Brianna Lyston's decision to shut down her 2024 season, which of course means she will not be contending for a place on the Jamaican team to the Paris Olympics. We don't quite know the reason, but Lyston is still Jamaica's fastest woman this season. And with the crippling injury worries to the big three, many pundits, the Maverick included, were getting excited about the form and quality of young Brianna Lyston. We were so looking forward to seeing her stepping up to the plate. But instead, with almost 3 weeks to go before the trials, Paris Olympics on the horizon, not even a little flinch, no expression of disappointment about missing out on the opportunity to perform on the big Olympic stage. No little wait and see, or resting, or recuperating from whatever niggles she might have had. Just a rapid, express shutdown of the big Olympic season. Me not lie, it leave the Maverick in a speechless shock.